Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Travel Partner Official, your guide to adventures around the globe. Today, we're whisking you away to the heart of Andalusia, Spain, Córdoba, a city where history whispers from every cobblestone and minaret. Córdoba is a tapestry woven from Roman, Moorish, and Christian threads, creating a vibrant cultural scene that's as captivating as it is diverse. Now let's dive into the 15 must-do activities that will make your Córdoba trip unforgettable. All right, folks, we're kicking things off with the crown jewel of Córdoba, the Mezquita. This architectural marvel isn't just a mosque, it's a testament to the ebb and flow of civilizations. Originally built as a Visigoth church, it was transformed into a mosque during the Moorish rule. When the Christians reconquered Córdoba, instead of tearing it down, they built a cathedral right in the heart of the mosque. It's this blend of styles, Gothic, Renaissance, and Mudéjar, that makes the Mezquita so utterly unique. Trust me, the play of light through those stained glass windows and the sheer grandeur of the space will leave you speechless. Next up, we're stepping into a world of tranquility and grandeur at the Alcazar of the Christian monarchs. This fortress, built on Roman and Moorish foundations, became the royal residence of Catholic monarchs. Talk about a power spot! As you explore the Alcazar, you'll find yourself drawn to its magnificent gardens. Imagine strolling through manicured hedges, the scent of orange blossoms filling the air, the gentle murmur of fountains creating a symphony of serenity. These gardens, inspired by Islamic paradise gardens, are a feast for the senses. It's the perfect place to escape the Andalusian sun and soak up some royal ambiance. Now, let's wander through the enchanting Jewish quarter, a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets that seem to whisper secrets from the past. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to Córdoba's rich multicultural history. Look for the intricately designed doorways, the wrought iron balconies adorned with flower pots, and the whitewashed walls that shimmer under the Spanish sun. Don't miss the synagogue, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of the quarter. And if you're feeling peckish, grab a seat at a tapas bar and savor the flavors of Sephardic cuisine, a delicious blend of Spanish and Jewish culinary traditions. Next, we're heading to an iconic landmark, the Roman Bridge. Built in the 1st century BC, it's a testament to Roman engineering. Imagine Roman soldiers and merchants crossing this path. Admire the 16 arches reflected in the water. For the best views, head to the Calahorra Tower. Capture stunning panoramas of the bridge and city skyline. It's magical at sunset with a riot of colors. Ready for a journey back to the 10th century? Just a short drive from Córdoba lies Medina Azahara, a glimpse into the Caliphate of Córdoba. Built by Caliph Abd-ar-Rahman III, it symbolized power and wealth. Picture ornate gardens, shimmering pools, and magnificent halls now abandoned. Wander through the ruins, hear echoes of courtly life, and the murmur of fountains. Don't miss the museum, delve deeper into the city's history. Admire artifacts unearthed from the site. Now, prepare to be enchanted by the patios of Córdoba, a unique tradition that transforms private courtyards into floral wonderlands. Imagine strolling through narrow streets, catching glimpses of hidden oases bursting with colorful flowers, cascading vines, and the soothing sound of trickling fountains. Each May, Córdoba bursts into life with the Festival of the Patios, when locals compete for the most beautiful display. Even if you're not visiting during the festival, you can still experience the magic of the patios. Many are open to the public, offering a glimpse into the heart of Córdoban life. Next up, we're stepping into a world of aristocratic grandeur at the Viana Palace. This 15th century palace, once home to noble families, is now a fascinating museum showcasing Córdoban history and culture. As you explore the palace's 12 patios, each with its own unique character, you'll feel like you're stepping back in time. Don't miss the palace's impressive library, home to over 7,000 volumes, and the Carriage Museum, where you can admire antique carriages and learn about the history of transportation. Now let's head to the beating heart of Córdoba, the Plaza de la Corredera. This bustling square, lined with arcades and balconies, is a microcosm of city life. Imagine sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe, watching the world go by as locals chat, children play, and street musicians fill the air with music. Throughout history, the Plaza de la Corredera has served as a marketplace, a bull ring, and even a venue for executions. Today, it's a lively hub for locals and tourists alike. In the evening, the square transforms into a magical setting for outdoor dining. Ready to delve deeper into Cordoba's fascinating past? Then a visit to the Archaeological Museum is a must. This museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts spanning from prehistory to the Middle Ages. Imagine gazing upon Roman mosaics, intricate Moorish pottery, and ancient tools, each one a tangible link to the civilizations that shaped Cordoba. Don't miss the museum's centerpiece, the Patio de los Naranjos, a beautiful courtyard adorned with orange trees and Roman mosaics. And hey, history buffs, be sure to check out the museum's collection of ancient inscriptions, offering a fascinating glimpse into the languages and scripts of Cordoba's past. Next, we're heading to the Calahorra Tower, a 12th century fortress that has guarded Cordoba for centuries. This imposing structure, located at the south end of the Roman Bridge, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. As you climb the tower's ramparts, imagine the Moorish soldiers who once kept watch from these very walls. But the Calahorra Tower is more than just a fortress. Today, it houses a museum dedicated to the three cultures, Christian, Jewish, and Muslim, that shaped Cordoba's identity. Inside, you'll find interactive exhibits, audiovisual displays, and historical artifacts that bring the city's past to life. For a unique experience, head to the Royal Stables, founded by King Felipe II in the 16th century. Home to renowned Andalusian horses, showcasing equestrian arts and traditional dressage. Witness the skill of riders and the elegance of horses. Take a guided tour, learn horse breeding history, and see newborn foals. An unforgettable Cordoba experience. Art lovers rejoice! Cordoba's Museum of Fine Arts is housed in a 16th century building. Inside, discover paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts from the 15th century to today. Marvel at works by Goya, Murillo, and Zurbarán. Even if you're not an art lover, enjoy the museum's beautiful courtyard. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food. Cordoba's culinary scene is a delicious blend of tradition and innovation, with flavors that reflect the city's rich history. Imagine savoring salmorejo, a chilled tomato soup that's like a gazpacho's more sophisticated cousin, or sinking your teeth into flamenquin, a crispy roll of ham and pork that's a true Cordoban classic. And for a sweet treat, indulge in pastel cordobis, a flaky pastry filled with fragrant quince jelly. But the best way to experience Cordoban cuisine is to pull up a chair at a tapas bar and sample a variety of dishes. Get ready to experience the fiery passion and raw emotion of flamenco, a quintessential Andalusian art form that will stir your soul. Imagine the rhythmic clapping, the stomping feet, the mournful melodies of the guitar, and the powerful vocals that seem to express the joys and sorrows of life itself. Cordoba has a long and rich flamenco tradition, and there are numerous tablaos or flamenco bars where you can witness this captivating art form firsthand. Choose a venue with a cozy atmosphere, order a glass of local wine, and let the music and dance transport you to the heart of Andalusian culture. Ready to unwind and pamper yourself after a day of exploring? Then head to Hammam al-Andalus, a traditional Arab bathhouse that will transport you to a world of relaxation and rejuvenation. Imagine immersing yourself in warm, aromatic waters, the steam enveloping you like a warm embrace. As you move between the hot, warm, and cold pools, feel your muscles relax and your worries melt away. Hammam al-Andalus is more than just a bathhouse. It's a sensory experience that will leave you feeling relaxed, refreshed, and ready to continue your Cordoban adventure. Well, folks, there you have it. 15 must-do activities that will make your trip to Cordoba unforgettable. From exploring ancient mosques and palaces to wandering through charming neighborhoods and savoring delicious cuisine, Cordoba offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and leave you longing to return. Before you go, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures. And hey, we want to hear from you. Share your favorite Cordoba experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!